Do you want to add multiple photos in one Facebook story? You can put multiple pictures on Facebook stories with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add multiple photos in one Facebook story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on the plus Create Story option at the top of your newsfeed. Now, a new screen appears with your device gallery. From here, tap on the Select Multiple option at the top right corner. Choose the pictures you want to add to your story. You can select multiple pictures at once. After selecting, tap Next. Now, you will see different options. From here, select Photo Collage. You'll be on the story editing screen where you can add stickers, text, effects, or music. You can also rearrange the order of the pictures by dragging them. Once you're done editing, tap Share to add it to your story. Now, all your selected photos will be uploaded together as one Facebook story.